Hello students, in this video lecture we shall study a non-linear data structure tree, and this PPT we shall study definition of tree, application of tree and basic terminology of. So let's start from the definition of tree. A tree is a finite non-empty set of elements. A tree is a set of elements, a non-empty set of elements. One of these elements is called root. It's called the root. Among the set of elements, there is a special element that is called root, and the remaining elements are partitioned into the trees, which are called the subtrees. What is subtree? We will study in coming slide. And another definition of tree are here. A tree is a connected graph. Tree is a connected graph. Means every nodes of tree are connected to each others. So a tree is a connected graph without any circuit. Here in these pictures there are two diagrams or two connected graph. In this picture there exists a circuit, therefore it is not a tree, and here don't have any circuit, therefore it is a tree. Application of tree. Before study any topic, we should to know the use and the application of that topic, so we have to study very easily. So file system. What is file? File is the collection of record. File system use the concept of tree, and the records are arranged in the form of hierarchical form, or use the concept of tree. Organization chart. We make the chart to arrange the data, and that data may be in the form of tree. Programming environment. In our daily lives, we do coding, or we do lots of programming in different languages like C, C++, Java, Python. You have seen in Java there are many library classes, and that library classes are arranged in a hierarchical form, right? So that classes are used with the tree, concept of tree. Basic terminology. Root node. The first node from where the tree originates is called as a root node. The first node from where the another nodes are started, so that node are called the root node. In any tree there must be only one root node. What is it saying? It is saying that if we have a tree and there is only one root node, it is mandatory there are only one root node, right? In a tree we can never have multiple root nodes in a tree data structure. We can have never multiple root nodes if we have a tree, so there is no possibility there have multiple root nodes. Edges. The connecting link between any two nodes is called as an edge. So what is a tree? Is a set of nodes or set of elements, and that elements or nodes are connecting through some lines, so that lines are called the edges. We can see here there are many nodes and many edges, so these nodes are connecting through lines. These lines are called the edges. And another interesting things are there in a tree, in the concept of tree. In a tree with n numbers of nodes, there are exactly n minus 1 numbers of edges. Suppose in a tree if we have 5 nodes, so there should be 4 edges, yani 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 edges should be there. So if you see in these pictures how many nodes are there, so let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So there are total 11 nodes. So how many edges should be there? So there should be 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. So let's check. So So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So exactly right. Here is a 10 edges. Leaf node. The node which does not have any child is called as a leaf node. What is child node or parent node? If we consider in this picture here in this area, so here A is a parent node, B and C are the child node. If any node in a tree, if any node uh, doesn't have any child, it means that is leaf node or external node or terminal nodes. Another name of leaf node is terminal nodes or external nodes. So D, E, J, K, S, these nodes don't have any child, therefore these are terminal or leaf node. Internal nodes. The node which has at least one child is called as an internal node. If in a tree if in a tree if any node have a child, that is a internal node. If you see in this picture, B and C have child H, C has a child B, G and H, therefore it is a internal node. And B is also here, B is also an internal node. B has a D, F, E child, therefore this is the internal nodes, and E is also a internal nodes because E has I and J child node. Every leaf node is every non-leaf node. Here how many leaf node are there? E is a non-leaf node, B is a non-leaf node and C is a non-leaf node. So this is the internal node. Level. In a tree, each step from top to bottom is called as a level of a tree. If we see in this picture, there are some dotted and parallel lines. These are called levels. So levels are start from top to bottom and increasing by 1. You see level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3. So these levels are increasing by 1. So how many levels total? How many total levels are there? There are 4 levels, right? So these are the levels. Height. The total numbers of edges that lies on the longest path from any leaf node to the particular node is called the height of that node. If we want to find out the height of any node, so we have to count total number of edges are connected to that node from leaf to from bottom to top. So if you want to find out the height of this B node, so we start from the leaf node. How many edges are connected from this B? From leaf to from bottom to up, 1 2. So height of this B node is 2. Let's see the height of G node. We will start from bottom to up. They are connecting only one edges, so the height of G is 1. If we want to find out the height of this tree, so we have to find out the height of root node. So 1 2 3. So the height of root node is 3, or the height of this tree is 3. Height of a tree is the height of root node, right? Height of all leaf nodes are equal to 0. The leaf node height is always 0 in a tree. Subtree. In a tree, each child from a node forms a subtree recursively. Every child node forms a subtree on its parent node. If you see in this picture, A is a parent node and B and C are the child, and again these nodes are making some child. So so these are the subtree. So B is a subtree and C is a subtree. Again E is a subtree of B tree. So this is a child tree of B tree, and B is a child of B is a subtree of A, and C is a subtree of A. So thank